Purell wall-mounted hand sanitizers are the perfect solution for moisturized, germ-free hands on the go. They kill most of the common germs and keep your hands clean and soft, and with a choice of seasonal scents. You get cleanliness and lightly fragranced hands, and all this without having to use any water. This makes the sanitizer your defense against germs, anytime, anywhere. It also tends to be less damaging to skin because it is built in emollients. Hand sanitizers are convenient to use and come in portable sizes, especially when soap and water are not accessible. You can use it before having food at a restaurant or while enjoying some street food. It's also a great way to keep your hands sanitized after touching toilet doors, bus handles, currency notes and other surfaces that are hotbeds of germs. Number 1 hand sanitizer most used by hospitals and proven to kill 99.99% of most common germs that may cause illness without damaging skin, even after repeated uses. Formulated to be gentle on skin with 4 conditioners. Free of preservatives, dyes, triclosan, parabens, and phthalates. USDA certified bio-based with 93% bio-based content. Purell Advanced Sanitizer Refill coupled with TFX Touch-Free Dispenser helps eliminate germs. Each refill is sanitary sealed with a fresh dispensing valve. TFX Touch-Free wall-mounted dispenser activates with just one hand, so it's always there when you need it. Large refills simplify your supplies purchasing and eliminate clutter and loss from bottles. Case pack includes 1200 ml Purell TFX Touch-Free Dove Gray Soap Dispenser, adhesive mounting tape,